Mark the vent outline precisely before laying tile so the register will fit cleanly once grout is set. Start by measuring the existing vent and transfer that outline to the substrate using a pencil and a rigid template made from cardboard or thin plywood so the hole location and orientation are exact. When installing thinset and backer board, maintain the template location so you can cut tile to the template edge rather than guess after the tile is in place. When possible, cut the tiles that border the vent to final size before setting them so you avoid cutting small slivers in place which can break or shift. If you must cut after the tile is installed, use a WetSaw or an angle grinder with a diamond wheel and support the tile to prevent chipping. Score multiple shallow passes rather than trying to cut through in one go. Always dry, fit the register over the cut opening before grouting so you can make fine adjustments with a file or small diamond bit. This prevents having to redo grout work later. After grout cures, clean the edges and test airflow and register alignment one more time to ensure the opening did not become obstructed. Common mistakes include cutting the vent opening too small, which leads to a register that will not seat flush. The fix is to start with a slightly larger pencil outline and dry fit before final cuts. Another error is cutting tile after grouting without protecting adjacent grout lines, which can cause grout to crack or stain. Protect grout with painter tape and make incremental cuts, then touch up grout after fitting. The third issue is not accounting for register depth and screw locations, which causes the register to sit proud or not secure. Measure register depth and screw positions up front and, if necessary, recess the tile or use longer screws and anchors so the register sits level and fastens securely. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we exchange tips like vent layout and tile cutting. We help contractors find work and homeowners find tradespeople, while our community lets users ask questions, share photos, and get practical advice from peers and pros.